On today's video, we are going to be using eyeshadow, as in colored eyeshadow tutorial today. That is all about this video, because I always get a lot of messages. How can I blend different colors together when I want to do my makeup? Especially there are people just love colors when they want to apply their eyeshadows. They love different colors and bold and sharp colors, but they don't know how to blend it together. If you're like that, keep watching this video. Don't forget to share, like, leave your comment on the comment section. Okay, but on today's video, I'm going to be using these two palettes, this Wahala 2 and 3. Okay, they are the same names from Juvia's. These are the palette we are using today. This one is just something that you can use to blend. Maybe you have black, you have dark brown, you have burnt orange here, which is very easy to blend, as in the edges. Why this number 3 is for the colors that we're going to be using. So we are going to be doing this work together today, so keep watching. Another thing that you need to know, if you want to apply colored eyeshadow, you need different brushes. Okay, you remember their colors, they are very sharp. It's not like brown where you can just clean and use it again. So for me, I prefer you use different brushes, so that the color will not, as in just you not join the whole color together. Okay, so when you love colors, please, on your eyeshadow, please get a good brush. Okay, let's go.
Men makeup here for you. I'm men makeup, that's what they.
When you come across, or when you have this kind of eyeshadow and all of them, they have colors like this, it's either you make use of it this way or you make use of it this way. Okay, you just check the color, the way they always arrange it. Either it goes like this or it comes like this. So when you apply it together like this, it will be nice. Or when you apply it together like this, it will be nice. When you have, it may not be this palette, but any other palette that have colors like this, they always arrange it the way it can be blend, or the color, the way you can blend them together. It's either it comes like this or it comes like this. That's why you just have to use your technique to see the one we are going to be using, the one you are going to be using. But let's see what we are going to be using today. So let's work on this middle one, this yellow, purple, and this ash color, these three. So let's go.
Men makeup here for you. I'm men makeup, that's what they. I'm men makeup, true and new. Ooh, I'm men makeup, eat it shine. God, it bless this face of mine. I'm men makeup, soft and sweet. Faith and beauty, they complete. I'm men makeup, brush they go. Foundation smooth, no to show. Eyeshadow light, eat it glow. Blush they want, eat it flow. I'm men makeup, lipstick red. I'm men makeup, highlight spread. Mirror up top, say you this sweet. God's own blessing, lead in needs. I'm men makeup, glow your face. God, they give you special grace. I'm men makeup, easy blend. Beauty and faith never end. I'm men makeup, soft and bright. Jesus love, they give you light. I'm men makeup, steady they glow. Blessings come, be they flow. I'm men makeup, powder soft. I'm men makeup, contour soft. I'm men makeup, mascara long. I'm men makeup, now got strong. I'm men makeup, brush clean. I'm men makeup, no fear, no sheen. I'm men makeup, faith they show. Beauty from inside go grow. I'm men makeup, at your service. I'm men makeup, here for you. I'm men makeup, the best way day. I'm men makeup, true and new. I'm men makeup, thank you Lord. Beauty born from your strong word. I'm men makeup, glow so bright with Jesus love, day and night.
So guys, come with me to the second video, where we are going to apply our our foundation and everything, so that you see the outcome of this eyeshadow. You see, there is no You have to blend. That's why I show you guys. Don't allow any ash line to show. But at the same time, let's finish with the full face. Come with me. Take your water, your popcorn, everything. Enter car. Come with me to the part 2 of this video. Let's do it together.